Okay, hello, good morning. We're in week 9. All your bell work is due this Friday through Sunday. And understand that it's weeks 1 through 9. So there should only be 9 pages. It has to be clearly labeled with your name, date, and period. And week 1 is on top, and week 9 is on the bottom. Retesting is Wednesday only. Okay? Only this Wednesday. If you're in class, you have to sign up. If you're at home, you need to send me a little message on Teams. Just say, I'm retesting, and I'll mark you down. If you do not let me know by the end of today or tomorrow, I will not count it. Okay? Now let's graph these here. Remember, retesting is for better or worse. If you retest, you need to go to the videos and find the practice test for whichever one you need, Chapter 1 or Chapter 2. Chapter 3 for geometry is not going to be allowed to be made up. And also, this class might have a test on substitution. I haven't decided yet. Anyhow, let's keep moving. This one right here, I want you to graph it. So the y-intercept is -5. This is your y-axis. Put a dot. This is up 1 and then over 1. Remember, it's rise over run. So you rise up 1 and then you go over 1. It should look like this. This one right here, you have to get y by itself. So you bring the plus x to the other side. So you get 2y is equal to a -x plus 6. Then you divide by 2. And when you do, you get y equals -1x over 2 plus 3, 6 divided by 2. So you go up 3, 1, 2, 3, put a dot, then you go down 1, and then to the right 2. And that's how it should look. This one right here is a double graph. You're going to work it the same way. You're going to get y by itself. All right, on a new sheet of paper, we're going to do inequalities today. So copy this one down right here. Copy down number 3 and number 4. Well, let's talk about number 3. Number 3, you have to first label this as A and B. Now, you want to get y by itself, just like you were taught. All right, I'm going to change this to an inequality. So let's say greater than or equal to. And then let's say less than. And let's just say less than. Okay? So this one right here, you're going to subtract 2x. You're going to bring it to the other side. So you're going to get y is greater than or equal to -2x plus 4. That's A. And on B, you're going to add 2x, and you're going to get y is less than 2x plus 2. All right, I got my new equations. Now let's work this. Pay attention to this, because this is graphing inequalities. We're going to use a test point. Here, your y-intercept is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a dot. Your slope is down 2 and then to the right 1. Now, you see that little mark under here? That means it's going to be a solid line. Solid. Now, you're going to use a test point. So you pick a point on either side. I'm going to use 0, 0. So I'm going to say 0, because it's x and y. So y is 0. So 0 is greater than or equal to 2 times 0, because that's my x, which gives me 0 plus 4, or 0 plus 4, that's right. Well, 0 is not bigger. 0 is smaller than 4. So this is false. So since it's false, this whole side is false. So color the other side. All right, let's try one more. Watch. This one right here, I'm going to use a different color. I'm going to go up 2, put a dot right here, and then I'm going to go up 2 more, and then to the right 1. Now this one is less than. There's no line under here, so it's going to be broken. So anything on that broken line is not a solution. All right, we're going to use a test point. Pick a point. I still like 0, 0. As long as it's not on that line, you can pick it. So put 0 for y. and put 0 for x. Is 0 less than 2? That's true. So for this purple line, it's true. So you're going to color this way because it's true. Now the solution is where they overlap. And here is where they overlap. And that's your answer. And that's how you graph an inequality. All right? And that's what you're doing today. This one right here wants to know if it's a solution. Well, this is kind of like a test point. So you'd use 0, 0 right here. And you'd get 0 is greater than 0 plus 2. 0 is not greater. That's false. It's not a solution. This one you would use negative 6 is greater than 3 times negative 3. That's your x. So that gives you negative 9 plus 2. Negative 6 is greater than negative 7. That's true. So that one is true. The smaller the negative, the bigger the number. The closer to 0 it is. Okay. Your assignment's right here. 31 to 42. And I'll help you. Have a good day. Okay, geometry. Number 1, all bell work, or bell work is due this Friday through Sunday. So I want week 1 on top. Week 1 all the way through week 9. So there should only be 9 pages. Don't give me 10, don't give me 20, don't give me 8, give me 9 pages. Number 2, retest. You need to let me know if you're retesting at home. Chapter 3, since we're taking it today, you will not be allowed to make that one up. But Wednesday is the only makeup day, and you can take chapter 1 or 2, and it's for better or worse. So if you do worse, that's what you're going to get. If you tell me you're retesting, then I'm going to look for that grade. If you change your mind and I don't see that you retest it, that's fine too. So you're going to go to the videos at Toops's classroom. Make sure you go there. And you need to look up whatever one you need. If you're doing chapter 1, look for the practice test. If you're doing chapter 2, look for the practice test. If you're doing both, then look for both. And then you got to do the work. Okay? Now, before I go ahead and put them in the computer, I'll probably ask you for the work. If you don't have it, I can't give it to you. So make sure you do the work. Hold on to it until I ask for it. All right? And that's pretty much it. Make sure you send me a text through Teams that you're retesting. And remember, it's for better or worse, so be careful with that, okay? If you do better, great. If you do worse, you're going to get that grade. All right, again, today is Chapter 3 test. Good luck. And stay logged in on Teams, okay? Just open a different tab. Have a good day.